Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, your go-to channel for honest, in-depth product reviews. Today, we're taking a close look at the Calphalon 24Oz Portable Blend-n-Go Smoothie Cup with its ActiveSense 1200-watt motor. This blender promises a powerful motor and a series of smart features designed to make your blending experience both effortless and precise. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down. First off, let's talk about the standout feature here, the 1200-watt motor. That's a pretty solid power source for a blender, and Calphalon claims that this motor is strong enough to tackle a variety of tasks, from smoothies to frozen drinks. The 24-ounce Portable Blend-n-Go cup is a nice touch, offering you the ability to blend and go without transferring your drink to another container. It also boasts 5 food settings, including smoothie, salsa, milkshake, frozen drink, and juice, which is an impressive range for a single blender. There's also a consistency selection, which gives you the option to choose between thicker or thinner blends, great for those who like to customize their drinks just right. One of the most intriguing features is the reversible motor technology, which helps to create an even and consistent blend. It actively adjusts the blade speed, direction, and blend timing as you go, which is supposed to ensure that everything is blended perfectly every time. There's even an add liquid indicator that notifies you when more liquid is needed, which is a clever little addition to help prevent common blending mishaps. Now, real-world use, how does this actually perform? In terms of setup, the blender is pretty straightforward. You've got a digital interface that's intuitive and easy to use, and the blend settings are clearly labeled. It's clear that Calphalon put effort into making this user-friendly, which is something you can appreciate when you're in a rush. I tried it for smoothies, milkshakes, and even a frozen drink. And for the most part, the blender did exactly what it promised. The motor delivers consistent power, and the ActiveSense technology kept the blade's speed and direction in check to create a smooth, well-blended drink. However, it's not all perfect. One of the key features here is the consistency control, which allows you to choose between a thicker or thinner blend. While it's great in theory, I found that it can be a bit finicky at times. For example, with the thicker setting, I had to add a little more liquid than expected to get things to blend properly. That's where the add liquid indicator comes in handy, but it still takes some trial and error to get that perfect texture. As for the pros, let's talk about the motor power. It's a beast for the price. The 1200-watt motor means it's up to the task of grinding through frozen fruits, ice, and even tougher ingredients like nuts or seeds. The Blend-n-Go cup is a great convenience factor, and it's easy to take your smoothie to go without needing extra containers. The digital interface, combined with the automatic adjustments, is a nice touch for ease of use. Also, the blade is made of durable stainless steel, which holds up well over time and ensures that you get a consistent blend. On the flip side, the blender's bulkiness is something to consider. It's not the smallest unit out there, and it's a bit heavier than I expected, especially with the portable cup attached. If you're someone who's looking for a super compact blender that's easy to store, this might not be your best option. Another minor con is the noise. It's not unbearable, but the 1200-watt motor does make some noise when it's running at full speed, which might be a bit much for early mornings or quiet kitchens. Now let's talk about the value for money. This blender comes at a mid-range price point, and when you consider the powerful motor, the multiple settings, and the convenience of the Blend-n-Go cup, it does offer solid value. It competes well with other high-powered blenders in the same price range, such as the Ninja or NutriBullet. However, if you don't mind spending a bit more, you might find that higher-end models offer even more durability and features, like advanced blending programs or quieter motors. Speaking of competitors, let's quickly compare this to some similar products on the market. The NutriBullet Pro 900 series, for instance, offers a similar power level but lacks the variety of settings that the Calphalon provides. The Ninja Professional 1000-watt blender is another direct competitor, with strong blending power and a more robust design. However, the Calphalon's ActiveSense technology gives it an edge in terms of ease of use and consistency. It also stands out because of the Blend-n-Go Cup, which is a feature that's somewhat rare in this price bracket. When it comes to build quality, the Calphalon blender feels sturdy. The stainless steel blades seem durable, and the construction overall appears reliable for long-term use. The materials feel premium, but I haven't had it long enough to speak definitively about long-term reliability. Given Calphalon's reputation in kitchen appliances, though, I'd expect this to hold up well over time, as long as you're careful not to push it beyond its limits. As for customer support, I didn't have to reach out to Calphalon directly, which is always a good sign. From a general brand perspective, Calphalon has a solid reputation for customer service, so I'd expect a good response if issues were to arise. With no software updates or firmware changes to mention, this blender doesn't require any ongoing updates, which is common for this type of product, so there's no need to worry about future upgrades or tech issues. To wrap things up, the Calphalon 24-Oz Portable Blend-n-Go Smoothie Cup is a solid choice for those looking for a versatile blender that can handle a variety of tasks. The powerful 1200-watt motor, the Blend-n-Go Cup, and the ActiveSense technology all work together to make blending both easy and efficient. While it does have a few minor drawbacks, such as its bulkiness and occasional need for extra liquid, it excels in its performance and convenience. Overall, I'd recommend this blender for anyone who values ease of use and a consistent blend, especially for smoothies and milkshakes. If you're looking for something compact or quieter, there are alternatives, but this blender offers good value for its price and delivers what it promises. Thanks for watching! If you've got any thoughts on the Calphalon Blend-n-Go, or if you already own one, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your experiences. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of our future reviews. Until next time, keep blending and stay smooth with Reviews Inside TV.